Navigating English. Mastering this and these. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be delving into an exciting aspect of English grammar, demonstrative determiners. More specifically, we will look at the usage of this and these. As always, we'll guide you through their functions, their uses, and even some common mistakes to avoid. To begin, let's clarify what demonstrative determiners are. They are words that help us identify or specify something or someone in context. In English, there are four main demonstrative determiners: this, that, these, and those. But in this video, we will focus on this and these. So, what does this signify in English? It's simple. This is used to refer to a singular noun that is close to the speaker. It can refer to something physical, like an object near us, or to something abstract, like a situation or an idea that we are currently talking about. For instance, consider the sentences. This is my book. I don't like this. In the first sentence, this refers to a book close to the speaker. In the second, this refers to a situation or idea that the speaker is discussing. On the other hand, these is the plural form of this. Like this, these is used for items close to the speaker. However, it refers to more than one item. For example, look at these sentences. These are my books. These are good ideas. In the first sentence, these is used to refer to multiple books that belong to the speaker. In the second, these points to multiple ideas that the speaker is commenting on. A common mistake learners of English often make is confusing this with these, especially when it comes to uncountable nouns or abstract concepts. Always remember, this is used with singular nouns and these is used with plural ones. For instance, it is incorrect to say, "These is my opinion." Instead, you should say, "This is my opinion." And that's a wrap on our exploration of this and these. Understanding and using these determiners correctly can make a significant difference in your English communication skills. They help in making your conversation or writing more precise and clear. Remember, this is for singular and these for plural. Keep practicing and you'll master their usage in no time. Until our next lesson, keep learning and happy studying.